Hi guys, how my makeup be? My makeup dey somehow, but guys, wanna just ignore am. So guys, currently I'm in Ghana. I came to Ghana for my first travel vlog. Guys, I'm starting my travel vlog and I'm starting with Ghana. Like guys, I have a lot of projects coming for you guys, but I feel like I cannot start this project without telling you one of the most important thing about coming to Ghana or going to any place you don't know, which is accommodation. It is very very important because if you're traveling to any part of the world, the first thing the embassy will ask you is your reservation, your accommodation reservation. If you have an accommodation, who you're going to see, and what you're going there to do. Like me, I have everything in place. I'm here for tourism, like have booked accommodation before coming to Ghana, but guys, the person disappointed me, but that is not the purpose of this video. So I want to know how it feels to live in Ghana. I want to know how it feels, like what you need to settle down in Ghana or kick up a life in Ghana. So I'm doing the experiment for you guys, and I think the first thing you need is an accommodation. Yes, accommodation is very very important. So now I live in I'm sharing an apartment with someone, a two-bedroom apartment. I'm living in one of the room, and the room has is in suite. It has bedroom, toilet, and everything you need. But I'm sharing the kitchen and the living room with that person. Me, I don't even need a living room because I know they watch television. But like that is how it is. I'm sharing the living room and kitchen with that person. So I'll give you a house tour of like I'll just want to give you a house tour. I want you to see how the accommodation look, and how I'll stay tuned to the end of the video so that you know how much I pay in this place, because guys, it's expensive. Is expensive, like is far more expensive than the accommodation in Nigeria. Accommodation in Nigeria is okay. If you walk in, you see the living room. I don't know. This house is very neat and simple, so no much shenanigans going on. Just television, a chair. Yeah. So this is the dining area, but uh, he's not using the dining. So guys, look at this beautiful chandelier. So guys, it's a very simple place. It has a beautiful balcony. Guys, the balcony make brain. But the place it is not as if it's not like, I don't think it's a very big, like big man area like that. I don't know how I want TikTok and, but it's okay, but not like uh Osu or East Legon. I wanted an apartment in Osu, but or a close like that is how it is. So this is the kitchen, guys. I know as I want to take film, but this is the kitchen. This is so massive. I know that this person will be paying a lot here. This is fridge, his fridge, which is now my own fridge too, because it's part of the money I pay. And this is a water heater, guys. A microwave, a jug, and yeah, blender, guys. These people see they use coins, so we no even know wetin be coins for Nigeria, but they see they use coins. So I came in with this. I came with this, guys. This is where he stores uh provision like the tea. Yeah. So The bed is massive though. Ah, that is my luggage. I have not unpacked. I will be unpacking with you guys. There's an AC, there's also a fan and lights, guys. And this wardrobe, this beautiful wardrobe. I don't even know whether they film this in well, but we not go manage am o. Guys, this wardrobe is too massive. It's too giant. So yeah. So guys, this is my bedroom. You see, this is so neat. This is so neat. This is me. Hi guys. Hi guys. How na day? How na day? Guys, how na day? What big girl can do, small girl can fit do am. Pararara. Guys, I'm in Ghana. I'm so happy that for the first time in my life, I leave the shores of Nigeria to go to another country by myself. So I'm not a kid, but guys, this is a big one for me. So wait, you go brush your teeth here, wash your hand here. At the lick sweet, like say my life depend on it. I have lick one sweet, like this is the toilet. I don't make up small. Now here they make my up. So I'll arrange my facial items here. And if you close am like this, you go use am make up. So it is very beautiful. Okay guys, so let's talk one on one. When I wanted to come to Ghana, I did a lot of research. Mainly what I researched on is the requirement, what I required to get to Ghana, if I required a visa, and like the documents I required to get to Ghana. Another thing I made it like that took a lot of time to research on was accommodation. As I typed that accommodation in Ghana, I typed how much is furnished accommodation, furnished apartment, a room, a furnished apartment in Ghana, and a lot of websites come up. One of the one that that was on top was booking.com. So that booking.com was very expensive for me because all the option is bringing out for me was hotel, and many of the hotels are very expensive. I can't afford them. So I went to gg.com. I saw a lot of pictures, a lot of beautiful houses. I was searching for accommodation in Osu and East Legon, because before searching for accommodation I searched for where is like the safe area to live for foreigners in Ghana, and I saw safe and fine area to live because I want to stay where that is safe, and also where that is also fine to live, like livable. Now no be say you go go per person, you go country go dey live for ghetto. I no wan live for ghetto. I want to live for a place that is secured, a place that is safe, a place that is accessible to the city and main places that I want to go to. So as I think they say Osu is one of the most popular, beautiful place, is one of the most beautiful place, and that place is at the center of Accra, because it's also linked to where? To airport. But me, I no get money for flight, so I'm not thinking about that. So after I make that thing, I saw a lot of accommodation in East Legon, Osu, like many places. So I was able to negotiate for 5,500 cedis for 1 month, and I type it on Google, convert it to naira, it gave me 200 and something thousand naira. I saw another one for I saw another one for 5,000 Ghana cedis, which gave me 170 something naira. Guys, pay attention because you need this information. Guys, surprisingly, when I get to Ghana, I saw that the price on website is far different from the price in their real life. Like in Nigeria, when you google the price of dollar, exchange of dollar on the website, it will give you, like, if you the exchange will be like 400, like it will be like 400 naira per dollar, like 400 naira per dollar, per a dollar, right? But if you go to black market, you get it 700 and something naira per a dollar. You gain. However, on the website, it is better because on the website you get like you convert 500 Ghana cedis to 100 and something naira. But here, that 500 that 5,000 Ghana cedis is up to 500, it's up to 500 and something thousand naira in naira. It's up to, like, let me say, it's not up to, let me say it is up to 400 and something thousand, or yes, 400 and something thousand, or 300 and something thousand convert to naira. So it is far more higher. So it's not 200, like the 200, I withdrew 200,000 naira. I came here with cash, solid cash of 220,000 naira. But I made a lot of expenses while, like, on my way, buy things and all that. So I that 20,000 naira remain 6,000 naira. And but that my 200,000 naira that I withdraw, I was still with it when I crossed the border of Ghana, and I changed that 200,000 naira. Do you know how much it gave me? It gave me 3,000 Ghana cedis instead of 5,000 Ghana cedis. And above, it gave me 3,000 Ghana cedis. Instead of 5,500 Ghana cedis, it gave me 3,000 Ghana cedis. So that is it. I was very shocked. Like, it's like, how? So after that, I was confused. I don't know how to go. I don't know where to go. I don't know. Like, the accommodation now become very expensive, because if I must use that 3,000 Ghana cedis to get accommodation, I don't know, it will not get me accommodation in Osu, or it may give me around Osu, and I don't know how it is. So I wanted to pay, or like, I still wanted to, like, top up money to pay, like, but I called the agent that I made reservation with. Those agents disappoint me. One person say I should come to where, Oye Difa, or Oye, I'll get the name and put. They say that place na bush. That place be like say you dey live for Ibadan. Like say you come Ghana, come, like say you go Lagos, like this, because I'm in Accra, and I'm in Accra. Like say you go Lagos now, you can't go Ibadan, can't go dey live one village for Ibadan, can't dey live, can't dey claim say you dey Accra. That is how that place was. That is how that place is, according to people are around. They say it's very far and it's not developed. It's very far. It's among the places that we pass through that wasn't developed, that wasn't that developed, where before coming to Accra. I'm like, no, I cannot live in that place. So I was able to get someone that is here that's a Nigerian that is living here in Ghana. So he live in 2-bedroom flat, and he shared he said I should rent one of his bedrooms. So I paid him 200,000 naira. So that 200,000 naira, according to him, there will be someone who will be coming to clean the apartment. He said that person come 3 times in a week. And guys, I'm obsessed with cleaning of house. I don't think I'll be able to wait for my house to be cleaned every 3 days, every two days, or every three days. It is impossible. I clean my house twice a day. So I know that that one is bygone, that I will be doing the cleaning by myself. But he also said that he did not have washing machine, that person who is coming to clean will be washing the clothes. So I think that one will be something I will leave that person to do for me. I will let her or him wash my clothes for me. But as per cleaning of the house, I will be cleaning all the house every day. At least, even if you want to clean, like, every two days or 3 days, maybe outside the environment, but within this place I live, I'll be dusting it, cleaning it every day. That one is for sure. So that money I paid also come with me using the kitchen and, like, the fridge and everything in the kitchen. But I have not, like, spoke with him yet to see what we are going to do, how we are going to manage buying of food and other things, because I feel like if you're living with somebody and you're sharing kitchen, you guys need to live like brothers or sisters. You need to, like, cook, and if he cook, I can eat. If I cook, he can eat. So I want to know how, like, doing that, because me, I have not shared this kind of accommodation. I live in a family, a family that is so bonded. We are so bonded that we don't like be like, don't touch my things, don't do this, don't go to that area. We use our things, but like you can use your sister clothes, like you know how it is now in Nigerian family. So I won't be able to just um share start like being distant from him, or not touch his food, not touch anything he keep. If he keep anything where I won't eat, I want to be able to eat it. And also I want him to be able to eat things that I keep. I don't want to make it be like, say, no, I don't want to eat our things, she's just this. No, I don't want that. I want us to live like brothers and sisters, so that I'll enjoy living here. But that is all for now. I paid 200,000 naira for 1 month. Guys, that 200,000 naira is is nearly my rent for half, like for 6 months in Nigeria. Now you be waiting that they pay for 1 month. I'll giving you update like ba 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 ba. I'll create a TikTok a TikTok page for my travel vlog video. Guys, who una go they enjoy the content. I get a lot of content to film, no dulling moment, because the money I spent here making this processing and processing this project and bringing it to life is much. Oh, the money I spend too much, so I need to like put effort and give you guys content, and also know that the money I no waste. So I'm like, guys, I'm so happy. Yeah, I'm so happy that I'm able to execute this project. Ah, no be small thing. If you know, like when I'm saying that I'm so happy that I'm able to plan and execute this project, you may not understand until you are my kind of person who don't have a helper. Like you don't have somebody who you go to and be like, okay, I want to do this thing, I have 10,000, I want to do something of 15,000 naira, I have 10,000 naira, can you sponsor me, can you support me with 5,000 naira or 2,000 naira, or I want to do something of 1,000 naira, I have 900 naira, can you give me 15 naira to complete it? I don't have that kind of person. I don't have anybody. Instead, I give out. Like instead, I help my family. I don't have anybody to run to help me in anything I'm doing. If I want to buy an iPhone now, I need to work hard, save money to buy that iPhone. If I want to do anything, I need to work hard, plan hard, save money, and do that. So when I'm saying that I'm so happy I'm able to execute this project, I'm saying that because I did everything on my own and by God grace. Like God provided, God surprised me this period. He made everything possible for me, provide for me, and make a way for me where there was no way. And I hope you guys enjoyed these videos. Guys, see you guys in my next video. I'm out. Bye bye.